Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Liu Lu. Today, my presentation's topic is about vocabulary learning with smartphone, using jobs to memorize vocabularies. First problem is about what is jobs, and it is a smartphone application, and it is to help memorize vocabularies, and it can provide opportunity to engage in just-in-time learning as well as anywhere and time study. And in right there is a picture about this application's logo. Next is about how can I use jobs. And first, I think it provides essential words of languages. And this application put words into different categories. There is a short video shows the application's homepage. Let's see. And from this video, we can see this application's homepage is colorful, and I think it can attract young people's attention. And next is also about how can use jobs. This point is about it is 100% visual, and I think it can more quicker, better, and more fun for the 100% visual. And next point is it has 5-minute time limit every day. And limiting learning time may sound unbelievable, but it makes jobs incredible addictive, which is not a bad thing when we talk about language learning. And the next point is about it uses pictures to directly connect the meaning to and not to your native language. There is a short video shows how can I use the jobs to learn new vocabulary. From this video, we can see there is not only vocabulary words, and it also has the pronunciations for the vocabulary. And when you learn vocabulary, you just match the vocabulary and the picture, and then you put it together. Then you can go next. And yeah, next is about what elements makes jobs effective. And the first is about vocabulary focus. There is no grammar. This application is just for vocabularies, and only created words with high practical value. And next is about easy practice mini games. There are different mini games to practice you learned from the new vocabularies. There are show some mini games on this video. yeah, that's this video. And the third point is rapid pace and rapid swipes and taps. The rapid pace you can make the most of those 5 minutes. In these 5 minutes, you can learn more vocabularies. And it also has a diversity of forms. For example, spelling and matching. This video shows the spelling and the matching the vocabularies. And let's say next page. Next problem is about how can I land drops to TESOL. The first point is establish learning habits. Drops is through a daily 5-minute study to get into the habit of learning for a long time. And it's easy to operate and doesn't take much time, so everyone can do it. And the second point is apply pictures to language learning. And picture is a universal language. And the next is gradually increasing difficulty. And drop starts with a simple word, and only after you have learned the simple word can you unlock the next level. And next is about learn to categorize. The words in drops were categorized by their use, so you can choose which is you're interested in, so they can learn it. And don't worry about not being able to concentrate on your study, because it only takes 5 minutes, and you're eating, commuting, and going to bed, even going to the bathroom. It only takes 5 minutes to complete the daily study tasks. So it's easy to use it. And let's say next page. Next page is about how do I evaluate the drops. And first is it's easy to use. And both operation and the use type are very easy to complete. And the second is the 5 minutes limit makes it easy to stick with it. It can use all kinds of fragments time to learn when you're working or eating or going to bed. So it's just your short time. And the third is similar to the upgrade of the unlock mode, so that learners get more fun. It's addictive like a game. So I think it can attract young people's attention for learning vocabularies. That's all. Thank you.